Hi guys! Today you're going to learn how to do some division problems using some mental math strategies. So here's your first strategy. Let's say you've got a division problem like this, 660 divided by 12. First of all, you're going to think of this as a fraction, 660 over 12. And then you're going to look to reduce this fraction and find the answer to the reduced fraction. So I see right off the bat that both of these are divisible by 6. 660 is divisible by 6, and so is 12. So I'm going to go ahead and divide each of these by 6. And again, you can do this mentally, but 660 divided by 6 is 110, and 12 divided by 6 is 2. So the division problem 110 divided by 2 is equivalent to the division problem 660 divided by 12. And I know mentally that 110 divided by 2 is equal to 55. So that's one strategy you might use today. Turn the division problem into a fraction and then look for an easy way to reduce it and find the answer to the simplified fraction. Now you try one. How about 210 divided by 35? Remember, write it as a fraction, look to reduce it, and find a simpler division problem that you can do mentally. Pause the video and give it a shot. Okay, here's how I did it. First, I wrote it as a fraction, 210 divided by 35. Then I realized that 7 could go into both 210 and 35, so I divided both the numerator and the denominator by 7. 210 divided by 7 is 30, and 35 divided by 7 is 5. That gave me the easier division problem, 30 divided by 5, which I know is 6. So the answer to the original is 6. Very good. Try one more. Try this. 600 divided by 24. Pause the video and give it a shot. Here's how I did it. First, I wrote it as a fraction, 600 divided by 24. Now, I made an insight. I looked at the first two numbers, 60 and 24, and I realized that 12 could go into both of these. So when I do 600 divided by 12 and 24 divided by 12, 12 goes into 65 times, add the 0, that's 50. And 24 divided by 12 is 2. So that gave me the simpler problem, 50 divided by 2, which is 25. Okay, so that was one strategy. Turn it into a fraction and reduce it. Now, let's look at another strategy. 23 divided by 5. Okay? I'm going to first start by putting it as a fraction, 23 over 5. Now, here's the second strategy. I'm going to turn the divisor 5 into 10 because I know how to divide by 10 easily. So I see an opportunity to turn the divisor into 10. I'm going to multiply both of these by 2. 23 times 2 is 46. 5 times 2 is 10. And now I have a new division problem, 46 divided by 10. And I know that that is 4 6/10. So this is strategy 2. Get the divisor to be a multiple or a power of 10. Not a multiple of 10, a power of 10. So either 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000, etc. Because that's easy to divide by. Why don't you try one? "32 divided by 5. Pause the video and give it a shot. Here's how I did it. 32 over 5. Multiply both by 2. I get 64 over 10, which gives me the division problem 64 divided by 10, which I know is 6 4/10. Try one more. 423 divided by 50. Give it a shot. Here's how I did it. Wrote it as a fraction. Saw that I could easily make the denominator 100 by multiplying by 2. 423 times 2 is 846 divided by 100. That gave me the division problem, 846 divided by 100, which I know is 8 and 46/100. Now you're ready to move on to the lesson. Have fun!